Hello, doctor. Hello. What is your name? My name is Rocky. Sit down, please. What's troubling you? Everything is alright until my back is hurt like it's killing me. Have you exercised strenuously or played sports recently? No, and I don't have a history of backache. I guess perhaps you has not been straightened up for a long time. Oh, I remembered. I had been sitting for hours dealing with my essays from dusk till dawn. Now we see the problem. But you will have to be hospitalized for further treatment. Okay, no problem. I have broken my leg, doctor. Okay, let me examine first. Can you show me where it hurts? Right there, on the knee. It is hurt when I touch this point on the knee. Yes, doctor, please be gentle. I'm going to x-ray your leg to see if anything broken. I'm little nervous, but that's okay to me. Can you tell me your situation? It feels like someone squeezing my head really hard, and I'm experiencing nausea. How long have you got those symptoms? Just this morning, but I still feel like I'm going to vomit one more time. Do you feel better in your throat? Yes, doctor. When I try to eat something, there is no appetite. I'll prescribe medicines for you. And you can go to the pharmacy on the first floor to take them. I'll follow your instructions.